We dream to dance just like an angel's pass. Angels dance, dance, dance like a flower, dance like a gold, like dance like sweets, a sweetheart, a heart of a gold, a heart of a diamonds, a heart of despicables, a despicable heart. Dance like an angel's, dance like the sweethearts, dance like the sweethearts of today's, the sweetheart or heart of the flower, heart, transformable heart, a heart unique, hearts of sweets, sweetheart, a heart of trustworthy, a heart of good, good, a heart is blessed, blessing come from God. We should dare to love the sweetness of love, trustworthy, loveness of implications, the love is sweetness, dance among the stars. Queen, you are a queen, and if you are a king, dance with your queens among the stars. Only the moon should be your disco balls in the night of the sky. Dance like a queen, dance like the queens of today, or dance like a king himself. Dance like a king. You should dance like a king. Dance like a queen of the star. The queen of the star is very good. The queen has potentials, has sweet, has love, has configurations, has sweets. She has figurations of everything that your love, your likeness, and the queen suits the heart of her queens. They are the uniques, comparables individuals is a love trustworthy, the love of queens and kings, your partner, your love mate, your sweet love, the sweet that's worthy, that's part of being humans, is a part to be with your queens, and the kings also will be versus queens. Together with me, together with love, loveness of love, togetherness just to be, togetherness, love of our love of adoration, love of his sweet.